Think we're good to go. We're getting the last few things set up. We should be ready to go. Ready to go. Skip. All right, just need to make sure microphone's working. Yeah. Man, excuse me. If we can get printed at here above 400, dude, I think we're uppity up and away. Wow, are we at the 3,500? What? Didn't even notice that. Look at there. Nice. Nice, guys. Oh, let me get my chats out real quick. Hmm. Uh, do we almost want to put a teaser trade at 86? But I know the safer would be to pull back to the 79s, to the 70s here. Let's see. And we never did get above that 95 area, so we almost need to get above 95. We really don't even really have to make that much on this account to pass it. If we can make our $100 tonight, we should be good. Shit. Ah, whoa. Sorry about that one. Hmm. Do we come back to 70? If we push through this, we're probably going back down to 58, but I'm hoping that this 70 area holds. You're never trading never trading the Asia pre-market again. What happened tonight? Woof. I like to wait before the Asian market opens. That's my favorite. So we try to hop in right before the market opens here. uh, really need to get above 95 here. I'm at least lock in a few points in case this thing decides it wants to come back down. Because I know if this area doesn't hold, we could easily get a pullback to like the 50s. Tonight looks like the market was pretty choppy looking tonight, guys. I mean, these are some pretty ugly looking candles. You got to think, man, this is day before FOMC. The market has been super, super tough to trade. See, this thing could get another 75. 79. What time is it? Shoot, we still got 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Push it. Might have to buy a. Well, let's see. We only need like 40 more bucks to pass this account. Am I looking at that right? Maybe I need more, actually. Wait, no. Okay, that's what the net. Okay, since I haven't taken it yet, it doesn't count. I get it now. I was like, why? I was wondering why those two numbers were different. Uh, 79 is the first hit. I was already in the long. Time is it? Still got about 9 minutes to the top of the hour. I lost 4 trades in a row. It was all over the place. For some reason, I'm missing a chat. Yeah, volume low is usually a pretty good time to do some scalping. That's kind of what we did last night. We're just looking for 5 point scalps and runners there, mastering. That's all. I'm gonna wait till probably at least the Asia Open before we decide like if we're gonna look for longer shorts. We're just looking for quick pops. I won't leave this trade on here if it kind of comes into the top of the hour. My goal tonight's to try to get this account past the 1500. We're about $56 away. So we're just kind of waiting. How was your trading day today, Wes? I mean, yeah, you can see all the crappy price action with these 5 minute candles here. I mean, they look horrible. Probably could have took another what 21 bounce off the 70 here. Looks like it paid another 10 points. Mm. Yeah, I had a fairly decent session. Our losses were on evals, but we were still green. Uh, since we're in a range, I will not buy kind of like in the middle of a range. So we're pretty much trading about the same way we did last night when we're just looking for quick 5, 10 points and runners. Because we only got to make 50, $60 tonight on this account. So we don't really need to like look for the overall big move. No, no, I'm not questioning like, your sell or stop here. I'm just looking for scalps tonight. What time is it? 7. Be careful. Top of the hour here. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm definitely long bias back above 95. Just got to be careful when placing orders here at the top of the hour. And you got about 2 minutes left. I guess we'll see what happens. Do you enter your cell, Mastering? Hmm. Oh man, don't. Yeah, you're good, man. I mean, like I said, I don't really take trades that I don't know what's like, what other people are looking at because I just don't know. It's just hard for me to do that. Like I would have to visually see it. And like I said, I'm only looking for a 5 or 10 point bounce off of the 60 level. That's basically all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the bigger move here. Like I said, I just need to make $60 on this account tonight to pass it. What's up, Fish Lips? How have you been? What's up, S Dub? All right, maybe we'll get the 60 push here. You've been doing good. Has the will the how's the hold numbers? They've been working pretty good with this price action, Fish Lips. Nice on your short, man. I mean, I'm looking for a move down. I want it to push down to the 50s with 42 been kind of my line in the sand for the next bounce. If if we do blast the 60s here. I don't really know. I don't really have a preference tonight. So, what's up, Market? How are you doing? Yeah, another ranging session tonight, it feels like. I'm pretty sure it's just going to be super choppy and either till the London session, waiting waiting for the we got Trump that speaks in the morning. You got FOMC tomorrow. Um, you got what? Retail news in the morning. So a lot going on tomorrow. Oh, that thing bounced right off the freaking 70s. Son of a bee. Is that the top of the hour? Did I miss the top of the hour? No, I didn't. Oh, I did. I did. That was the top of the hour. I lost track of the time. Oh. I'm not really long biased unless we get back above 95. I'm sad that we didn't get the pullback to the 60s. I might as well just take it off. I guess I was asking for too much there. Son of a bitch. Come on. You still got it in you. What's up, Wes? I saw the YouTube short, so I may take off tomorrow. Ah, we just broke the 95s. I won't be on my stream in the morning. I'll be over here on my funded futures from 9 to 10 in the morning. Dude, I should have just took the freaking 70. That's the 9 EMA off the Ricos. I thought we would get a push down to 60s, but it looks like we missed it about 6 points. About 6 points. We missed that freaking thing. Maybe we still get the pullback. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll be on a different time tomorrow, at least for tomorrow. Thursday will go back to the normal hour. So tomorrow I'll just be on there early morning. In which, since I'm only there from like what's that, 9 to 10, I may just come back and stream on my channel. We still didn't really close above that 95 level, so it makes me thinking there is a chance here. So we're still holding that 95. You can see none of the bodies have closed above the 95 yet, so it's just all wicks. So that's why I was saying you kind of needed to see the body close above 95 and not just wicking above it. Boom. We still need to get an official close above that 95. So I'm just going to sit here and just wait. you, you said you FOMO'd in? The 95 is my long, like I wanted to long above it, but I hated that I didn't really close above it though. Does it? No. Oh shit, it was 93, not 95. 93, 94, somewhere like that. Hmm. Still got a little bit left on this candle. No hurries. No hurries, guys. Remember, I only need to make about 60 bucks tonight, so we're not trying to mess up this account too bad. We're at 1,448, so we only got to get to $1,500. Mm. What's up, man? How are you doing tonight, market? When did you get long on that one, S Dub? That's a good thing about a ranging market, man. You can be right on longs and shorts. That's a good thing about when we're just going back and forth. Like as long as you don't buy in the middle of your range, I think you're good on either side. So, or if you do buy in the middle, just play the range. If you push to the bottom of range, maybe add in one contract. If you're not over leveraged, then take it back to the top if we stay inside of our range here. Unfortunately, I don't really want to chase. Uh, I'm not really sure, Adam. I haven't put anything in the elusive Discord lately, so I'm not sure. I don't unless someone's got a bot. That's very possible. I do get botted all the time, it seems like. So I don't know if it's actually me. I know I haven't put it, I am part of the elusive Discord, but I haven't put anything in there. So all right, let's see if we can get a pullback down into the 90s here. Or, well, it's going to pull back, man. We're in a rangy market. Either we stay above this swing here or we get the pullback down to 90. We got the broke button. Oh, goodness. What's up, man? Well, hopefully, like I said, I feel like tonight can be possible. I feel like you can be right on both sides, depending on what kind of take profit you're looking for. I feel like you can be right on both sides with longs and shorts. That's the good thing about a rangy market. You can be right on both sides. Mostly in the nighttime lately. I've been strictly just using Rico candles as my entry levels. Can I ask them to extend their trading hours? What? Dude, you're sounding like me over there, man. Do you still have my email saved, Nick? Let's see here. Dude, that's why I preach about the rollover. Uh, the rollover rollover week, man. Remember, I said this is the week. Even, dude, I struggle. Like I have a notorious history of struggling on rollover week. So this week I came into the market. It's like, okay, we're gonna be super, super careful. Let's say her. Let's see. La la. Sorry, looking for something real quick, guys. Hmm. Sorry about that. All right. What's up, man? Do we get the bounce here? Man, I almost want to try a 5 point bounce here. Let's see if we get it. I didn't take it, but let's see if we get the 5 points. Oh, it's close. Hmm. We can pull fib on this and see if the 50% is going to continue. The only thing I don't like about right there is like you almost look like equal lows. And that is the 50% pullback, the bounce off the 90. I'm sorry, I missed your message. Unbelievable. Yeah, you're definitely going to lose money in the beginning. I mean, that's usually the reason why you get that a lot is because, it takes 2 or 3 years to most people to get comfortable even trading. And so in that first 2 years, I mean, same with myself. I mean, I was red all the way for the first couple years. Nice 50% bounce there. I decided not to even play that level. Son of a bee. I mean, we should make a new high here. Yeah, I feel like we're green pretty much most of the time now. Probably a little over 3 years total. Part time in the beginning. Pretty consistency almost every day for the last at least 2.5. But I also trade small. I don't trade usually very large. So I'm not the person that's going to be like, you know, trading, going to be trying to like buy a Lambo or mansions. That's just not me, you know. That's you. Yeah, if that's you, that's you. That's just not me. Yeah. Dude, this was a nice 50% pullback. You guys ever remember we talk about that all I say this all the time. The Asia market loves 50% pullbacks. I mean, 50% to the tick. I was just using it as like example of like, super fancy cars or big nice houses. I have lived in the same I have lived in the same house since my 20s. And I don't even know if I'd ever want to move. I have no desire to probably to leave where I'm at unless I'm forced to move. That's probably the only way I would move unless I was forced to move by the city or our subdivision getting bought out. Well, not really subdivision, I guess our part of downtown. What is that what is that called whenever they're gentrification, I think? They're doing that a lot here where we live. Everybody wants to live next to Walmart. Have any of you guys ever Googled Walmart City? No, there's about 50. I mean, I guess it'd be small if you're from Minnesota, but well, if you're from around the Minneapolis, I don't want to say Minnesota, but I think my town's about 54,000, Nick. Doing auto Wendy's. Oh, nice. Yeah, so we got a like a I don't know. I haven't really been looking at the SpaceX stock user. So we have a like downtown that's not that big. But then Walmart, they uh they built a 30 to 40 billion dollar city like a half a mile up the road from where I live. No, Wes, I'm talking about uh Walmart City, not the Walmart store. Check gold. I don't really have gold on my charts here. Let's see. Where is gold? I don't even have the thing listed here. What is that? CG or GC? CG? Is that CG? I forgot. What's the thing for gold? No, I can't believe I'm missing this whole freaking trade. Nice SB for holding. I got a little cautious tonight, man. That 91 was my pullback level that I have. It was on my charts over here to take. I had it marked out. I just didn't freaking take it. Look, I had it marked out. I was going to take it and I just didn't put it on. Man, this thing wick right into it. Look at that little baby wick, man, and straight to the moon. So we're just going to have to wait for another pullback. Oh, MG, that's it. It's been so long since I've looked at gold. I could not remember, man. MGC, that's it. Oh, don't want to. Oh, no. Oh, no, I didn't want to do it to my charts. Okay, there's gold. We got it. Oh, thank you. Woo, gold's. Man. Hmm. Dude, that should have been your opportunity to probably add in there S dub on that pullback a while ago. What do you mean your broker halted? What's up, Sexton? How are you doing tonight? You got 5 contracts. We're doing good. I missed out on that last trade that we had marked out at 90. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't put that on there. They're stuck at 412. Who are you trading with? Hmm. I'm always anticipating a pullback off the 25s. Ooh. I haven't seen since trading GameStop around COVID. Oh yeah, that was insane when that was doing that. I didn't do any of that, but I remember that. Oh goodness. I'm hoping we get like a 400 pullback here after we kind of retest the 25s, maybe 24. You get that pullback into the whole number down here. And this way we can kind of retest. Well, we've kind of already retested this level. I just don't know if we're going to probably bounce here or we're going to have to get the pullback to the whole number, or maybe it needs to go up a little higher. Man, I would have been done at the 91. Is the S dub the only one that's in a long? Nice on hitting your take profit. Nice taking that right below the 25 too. That's trading around the whole numbers. At least take the first profit, then you should get the pullback after we hit this 25. Uh, my add-ins would be 401 and 90. Everyone's bias is short. I don't really care which way it goes. I'm just looking for scalps. That's all I'm doing. Just going the opposite. Nice. Hmm. I'm not really sure. I mean, most of the time, most of the time we hit the whole number, we have like some kind of pullback into the low 400s or low 100s. There's your first 25 hit there. Yeah, my line in the sand will be 90 here. So we hit the 25. There's your 25 hit. And that's I need to see what time. Okay. I just make sure we're not at the top of the hour here. Hmm. Looks like we bounced off this last ledge here. So I was wondering if we were going to get that ledge. I was kind of looking at, well, we didn't quite hit it. So we hit what, the 10, didn't quite get the top of these 3 candles here on the 5 minutes before we bounced. May not get the pullback here. Uh, I haven't really looked at my, let's see. You're all out. Nice, man. This thing's just not going to pull back for us. Man. It's probably going to continue up, S Dub, since you got out of your trade. It's really hard for me to chase these. There's just no way that I can chase these without some kind of pullback, guys. We're just not getting the pullbacks tonight. And I missed the last pullback at 91. What's up, game? How are you doing? Yeah, it's probably going to be like this tomorrow until after FOMC, maybe Thursday. We're just kind of doing the scalping thing tonight, Nick. So that's why we're not really chasing these trades. If we just don't get the pullbacks, we just don't get the entries. Are you long, AK? Nice. Oh, short? Nice. What's your target on the short? Dude, this thing's like, we just ain't coming back tonight. Last night, we constantly got pullbacks. Tonight, we're not getting anything. Where's your short entry from? Oh, Piper's Market. See, I don't know if that's going to be the swing there at the tens. So I'm not even sure if we get back down that low. I'm looking for scalps off those levels. Just 5 point scalps with add-ins. My next add-in would be at 13. Last add-in would be 403. Then after that, I don't know if we'll hold any deeper than 94. So 94 would be kind of the limit here. Look at the 1 hour, the 480s. What is that, like a fair value gap up there, BB Runner? Yeah, I see that big wick there off the 460s on the hourly candle. So, yeah, I can see that between 460s, got a big gap fill in up there. Almost back to the opening range candle, huh, from this morning. Uh, Pretty good so far. We haven't really taken too many trades tonight. We've just been kind of sitting on our hands. We're on 5 minute time frame. Now, like with any level, guys, they all can fail. You know, there's there's no guarantees with any of these levels that I'm playing off of. So you kind of have to have your own risk management when it comes to kind of doing these scalping type stuff. You know, it's the same thing I've been doing, you know, since last week with this. I mean, there's no 100% win rate for anything you do in trading. You just have to manage your losses. So, probably like 3 years or so, maybe a little over 3 years. All right, my add-in's gonna be 13 here. If this can't pop back up, or 11, maybe 11. Then my last add-in is going to be at 403. Let's see if we get the push down there. Don't. Oh, it took me out. Son of a bitch. Oh, I don't know what happened. What the hell? Did I not have it set up right? Why did that take me out of all my contracts? What can we say? Oh, that level banged hard, didn't it, guys? Woof. Damn it. I wanted to get like at least that extra runner. I wanted to get that quick 5 minutes. I mean, that 5 points with like a 10 points on the runner or something. Damn it. I still need $30. I don't know why that took me out of all my contracts. Because I have three. Two's supposed to come off real quick. Then the third one's supposed to be the runner, looking for like 10, 20 points. So, so I'm not really sure what happened there. Oh, you thinking SpaceX is going to peak? Yeah, this is a Riptic on a Ninja Trader, Ben. Dude, I have screwed up both pullbacks tonight. The first one was the 91 because I really wasn't focusing on it. So we got the nice bounce at 91. We got the other bounce here at 22, you know, for a little scalp. And like I said, I don't know why it took me out of my contracts. I guess I'll have to go back and watch it and see what happened. I don't know if it's because I had an extra order placed there or what. I could go for another pullback, maybe down to the 400s or even the teens. Well, what it is, I just wanted to get this thing passed because I only need $30 more. Son to the beach. Well, we're out of the long. We had a long order sitting at 22. I usually don't have too many issues with lately. I'm gonna get it wrong. I mean, there have been issues, but I haven't really had any issues. Let's see. Hmm. I'll be right back in a minute, guys. Give me like 2 minutes. I was gonna go grab something to drink. Let me fix my cameras real quick. Uh-oh. I moved my camera up and I can't get it back. Oh shit. Sorry about that. No, we're good. We're just trying to we moved our camera up and I can't get it back down. What the heck? Ugh, okay, let me just see if I can just add it. It won't let me add it. You son of a bee. Sorry about that. Well, for some reason I can't get my camera back up there. Well, no, it's my TikTok camera. It's not the YouTube camera. I moved it to the side, and for some reason, I can't bring it back down. Yeah, sorry about that, TikTok. Not really sure. Give me a minute, and I'll see if I can figure it out. Well, you too, well, man. Thank you. I don't know if I'm gonna have to just end it and restart it back up. How many people are in here? Yeah, I moved my camera to the side and now I can't get it back. All right, guys, I may have to, not the YouTube channel, but I may have to end the TikTok and redo it because it won't let me delete the camera while I'm live. All right, we will be right back on TikTok, guys. Give me like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Give me like 2 minutes to delete this and reinstall it. Okay, TikTok. All right. Let's see. I just watched a million shorts. I think they're all are just making third world YouTuber just clipping and forming. Gods, why couldn't we be in this long? I'm so annoyed. We've missed out on two good longs already. Dude, the 22 was the level too. Mm, you already jumped in? Did you just reopen? I'm not sure what you're asking about that one. Yeah, I did. For some reason my camera got messed up on TikTok, so I had to redo the camera. It wouldn't let me fix it while I was live, so I had to close it, then restart it. Oh, you're just saying third world YouTubers are just clipping. Oh. I don't really have a long target tonight, Timothy. I was just more or less trying to make, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks tonight to pass this account. We need 30 more dollars. So if we can get the pullback again, maybe to 23, I'll look for a long. Or even 410. I don't know. We're about to be at the top of the hour, so you might get another pop here. To me, I think if you're pushing up, well, I mean, heck, we're already, what is that? 550, 560? If I had to choose a target, if you're in it for the long run. So 47 is another hourly candle here. And after that, there's nothing really until all the way up to 560s. If you're looking at the hourly candle. So this would be your hourly candle. And that would be up to this next wick here. You can see this was the last wick here. We just hit this wick here at 47. And we're about to have a new hourly candle. I was trying to pull fib on that hourly candle and see. %, all the way back down there. And that's also around that 21 EMA on that. And a new 4-hour candle. Oh, nice, Timothy. Oh, you looking for a 1 hour? Very possibility for that 1 hour rip, but I think the 1 hour still needs to kind of wick back down, possibly. Unless we just may not get no wick on the 5 minute, that 1 hour chart and just go straight up. So, we'll see. Dude, I wish I would have looked at the hourly chart, man. Look at this thing. Just put a little order block into, man. It could pull back hard at 9:30. What's up, Prayer Kid? It's doing pretty good. Sorry if you were in the channel a while ago. I had to close it and reopen it because I messed up the camera. There really hasn't been a lot of opportunities. I've been waiting on pullbacks all night, so that's why we've been sitting here. We're only up 50 bucks tonight. So we're trying not to. We're trying to pass this eval here. We only need 30 more bucks. We're at 26,470. And I really don't want to take those earlier targets like I have been either. Mm. God, man, you would think that we'd at least get 5 point bounce here. $455, $475 looks like resistance to you. It's going pretty good. White, how are you doing? You feel like the first red candle? Now we've kind of already taken this level at different levels, this 30 level. So I don't really know if this want to hold. I feel like we could possibly even get the pullback back into the 20s, but this is the 50% mark. So we'll have to just see what happens here. Oh, you saw the flush after last night? To the moon. You can see it's hitting these wicks here. We might not even get back through here. What's up, Wall Street? How are you doing tonight? If we break the 31 level, I'll be looking for 23 and 410 to get hit, and we'll just add in at those levels. Oh yeah, we're just scalping tonight. We only need to make 30 more dollars. So I'm just trying to make 30 more bucks to pass this account. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. I should have been in the long, man. I had a resting order sitting at 22. And for some reason it took me out of all my contracts. So I didn't get my money off my runner. The short squeeze. Oh yeah, it easily could blast that 31 level like nothing. Ugh. What's that? Oh, top ticking. Am I a real person? Yes, Mr. SK. Does it look like AI in the screen? I don't know. Oh goodness. Yeah, Nick, I didn't even trade my Lucid Fundus today, man. We sat on the sidelines. Yeah, the AI. I guess it is a valid question these days with so much AI going on. I would at least hope if I was AI, it would have done a better job. Maybe clean me up a little bit. Just sat over here just wearing a sweatshirt or a pullover. With the stash that the stash that the wife hurt or hates. This thing going the stash is gonna have to go away pretty soon, guys. The wife hates the stash. Oh goodness. No, come on. No, we just cannot get the hits tonight, guys. On these pullbacks. You know what'll happen if I try to chase this? It will just uh it'll just go straight through or it'll come back. Have a beach backdrop. What's up, Constantine? That's why we're just strictly sticking to scalping, Constantine. We're not even trying to chase this price action. I had a nice entry while ago uh, at 22, and I think we had to sit through like maybe 2 points of drawdown, and then we printed above 22. But for some reason, it took me out of all my contracts. You're paper trading with 4 minis? Heck yeah. Dude, I don't even have my pivots marked. Oh, shoot. My next pivot's all the way up there at 520. Excuse me. Push it. Oh, you're looking for long for scalps. If I needed more, probably more profit, I probably would just go and try to just jump in. But since I only need 30 bucks, I just don't feel like taking a chance. I'm not in a really super big hurry. If we don't get it tonight, it's not that big of a deal. It's not like I need to pass this account because it'll just be sitting in the reserves, even if it passes. Yes, looks like it won't. $31 will be my add-in here. Because we've already kind of bounced off this area first, so we may get the pullback to 31. I don't know how much I trust this entry because we've already kind of taken this entry a while ago, but down at 22. Shoot, we may get blasted here. We're only going to risk about 60 bucks max on this. You're looking for shorts. 467, 480. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Looking for a short at the. Oh, so you're looking for a short, Timothy? Oh, no, I thought you said you were looking for a short. It's like, nope. 38. I forgot that that one indicator that uh Wall Street's using. Where is the VWAP at? If you're oh shoot, VWAP's all the way down at 377, dude. Shoot, that thing's a long ways down there. I don't know. Hmm. It's almost like do we hold here at the top of this ledge here? I don't know. I thought we would push up to like 450 or 460 at the that hourly candle up there. If you go look at the hourly, if you look on the hourly, you have a big down wick sitting up there at 560s. And there's no wicks on the hourly candle. We've already hit all these hourly wicks, so I didn't know if we'd push up to 460 by the end of the night. There's still a lot of time left on this 5 minute candle. I mean, you still got 3 minutes left here. Nope, nope. I remember I had that long sitting at 22. And it's almost like I just want to take the break of this here. I know as soon as I jump in, we're gonna have like a crazy pullback. Then I'll be sitting up there like with trying to DCA in or take a big loss. So that's why we just haven't been chasing. So this is why we've just been kind of stuck here watching. Like I said, if I didn't have to make but so little on this account, I'd probably maybe chase it, but I only need to make 30 bucks to pass it. So I don't feel like I need to be in a super big hurry here. Chase it. No, no chasing. Dude, I just need like one 5 point trade and that's it. The 4 hour looks bullish too. I mean, we got like a small wick on the 4 hour I mean, the 1 hour candle. So that would be your hourly. You can get long sleep. That's pretty good, Nick. Like, I'm just gonna get long and go to sleep. Screw it. Oh man. I mean, I guess you can always do the what do you want to call it? You can always just hedge. Just make sure you use different prop firms. You don't want to be hedging on the same prop firms, get in trouble. At least on a funded. Eval, I think you can do it, but I don't think they allow it on most funded funded accounts. It's probably frowned upon. Yep, the rules are strict on sometimes. I don't know. I don't really struggle with, any of the prop firms I use at the moment. I'm okay with I don't pay much attention to the rules because most of the rules are usually involved like consistency or what do you want to call it? What is that other one? Yeah, consistency. I guess the consistency is probably about the only thing I really have to worry about, which most days I'm fine. I've only ever broke those just a few times on evals. I don't ever have those issues with the funded accounts. So, excuse me. Yeah, nice on the long there at 95 S dub. Oh, trading the 5 minute inside range. We ain't asking much from here. We just want 2 points and $2 million. Or 8 points and $2 million. Yeah, we'll look at it in a second, Wall Street. The first pullback I'm going along for a quick 15-point scalp. Though, pullback. Where's the 50% at? Dude, I think we've only got a couple trades tonight. I think 2 trades. The rest of the time we've been just sitting here waiting. Unfortunately, it may only pull back to the top of those 2 green candles. I gotta say, I've never tried phone trading. That sounds tough to me. Now, I guess if I'm sitting in front of like my computer with, all my different charts, I guess I could see maybe trying the phone trade, but just being somewhere out and about, me like trying to take trades in and out of the market seems tough. I guess if you're buying it to hold, it probably wouldn't be that bad, but to actually trade it, it seemed like I would struggle. So, excuse me. Woo, look at this thing trying to pull back hard. Maybe we'll stay inside this range here. You're going to get a nice foldable screen phone. Oh. You couldn't just get like a big old, like an iPad or something? Just something. I mean, you can get iPads for a couple $100. Who can do it? Nice. S-dub. S-dub in for the long. I'm only going to get in long if this thing pulls back to 38. With my add in at 25. Don't do it. It's a trap. Oh, you mean you think we're going to be I needed to be drug tested whenever I was trading minis on my phone. That's pretty good. Oh, goodness. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it could get stopped at 46. 46 was actually uh on if it's going to like continue following the at 9 EMA off the Rico candles, 46 was your bounce. So I guess I could have taken that 46 because that is on there, but I was actually looking for the 38 because I know we've already kind of touched this 9 EMA multiple times tonight. So 38, 39 is the next one down. So I guess we could have got our 5 points off of that. I just didn't want to keep taking that entry, man. We've already taken it multiple times. If we sell through this 38.40 level, we're probably pulling back to the 25s. We only want 5 points, man. That's it. If we can get 5 points here, then another 5 points at 25. Worst case scenario, we lose our profit we make tonight, which is only 50 bucks. We are front running this by a few points, so it could go through and hit 38. Like I said, I will have a add-in. So if we do just sell through it without hitting that first 5 points, that the 38 is the actual level. $25 will be my add-in. I didn't realize we're that close to 4 5-minute candle. I don't like the fact that we just printed a new. I hate when I get new 5-minute candles. All right, so we're going to be adding in that 25 here if we lose this target. It's being stubborn with the 5 points here. Oh, it's right on top of that knot. Okay. Doom, doom, doom. Man, if you had the boys to go in this thing heavy, man. Woof. It still could pull back to the 25s. That's the only thing here. Dude, I only need like $7 more too. Come on. No. It was like so close. Dude, I'm literally at 26,490 at the moment. So like $10. It needs to get back above 46 to squeeze. Oh, that thing. All right. Let's see. Yeah, it was dirty, dirty of you. Made us $15 short. Now, if this thing blasts back above 45, I may jump back in long off this 3 candle bull flag on the 5 minutes. Just need to get it back above 46, 45. All right, let's see if we squeeze here. Nope, did not break that. Still did not break that 46. You needed to break above that big wick there. All right, that's a break. Ooh, watch this thing just burn me here. I won't let this pull back no more than 10 points, guys, because I'm just not going to take a big drawdown here. So what time is it? And it's almost 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Well, I know that we could pull back to 25, 26 here because that's where I was looking for a order bounce while ago. I was hoping that we would hit our target before the new 5-minute candle gets here. Hmm. Come on, 30 seconds left. Push. Oh, it's going to tease me, isn't it? Oh, I didn't want to see a new candle, guys. Son of a bee. No new candle. Damn it. I do not want to see a new candle. Just take my shit and go. Come on. Because I know we can get a pullback on a new candle. That's the only thing I hate about. Oh, damn it. God damn it. I knew that. I hate new candles. Really need to see it bounce off the 46 here. I may even close this because I do not, like I said, we're just so close to finishing this account. I just don't want to sit through drawdown. I'd rather it, if it's going to pull back, I'd rather it pull back and I re-enter, if anything. Why are you teasing me, guy? Oh. This thing's really playing with my emotions, guys. I know why it's doing it because I'm right here at the end here. Oh, whatever that was, we'll take it. Ah, yes. Oof. We're over by $1. That's why. No, we only needed to make like a few dollars on that account, man. We were so close to passing it. Hey, if that's all I need is $3, we're going to take the $3. Yeah, I'm at $26,501. So, oh shoot, that was a struggle. Why is it always that last few dollars that's tough? So look, $501.60. So we made about 89 bucks tonight. That was just those few couple trades we took, just scalping, trying to get over the 1500. Oh goodness. I'm glad that whatever that little wick wears there, we get out of it. We don't have another account to trade. Oh, you burnt the e-bow with only 100 bucks away. Dude, I try my best not to do that. And just, you get within that last 100 bucks, man, it always gets super tough because it seems like everything goes against you. That's why we were being overly cautious. Uh, yeah, we short, but there's really haven't been no short opportunities tonight. Oh, when you're trading on Top Step. I think that you could possibly get the 26 to 17 pullback here. mean, that's kind of what I was looking for earlier. Man, I can't. It's already kind of past my time. It's almost 11 o'clock, guys. And I had to stream somewhat early. Like I said, we're going to be streaming the early session with My Funded Futures tomorrow from what, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So we won't be on our stream in the New York session tomorrow morning. If anything, we can maybe trade afterwards, say after the 10 o'clock hour. We're just gonna they're changing some of the times that on My Funded Futures. So I don't know if it'll just be for tomorrow. I want to say we'll start at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock your time. So I'll have to be there at 8 o'clock. So it'll be like my time, 8 to 9. Do we try the 9 EMA bounce here? Well, we were just looking for scout plays because we were trying to pass this eval that we have been working on in the nighttime. It's actually I think that I've only traded this in the nighttime. You're debating on adding 3 more contracts. I am glad I'm out of the trade. I'm glad, like I said, I was only looking. Now, I may jump back in if we can push down and hit 26 or the 25, 26 area. Then add in would be at 17. We're just trading on micros on small accounts. So we're just trading like 15K accounts, or you get $1,500 of drawdown. So with small accounts, you just have to have super strict risk management. So, you really don't want to be losing no more than $120 per trade max. Maybe eventually we'll move to larger accounts. Man, I don't even know if I want to try this. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's about the top of the hour. All right, let's see what happens with this new 5-minute candle. Might go without us S-dub. It would have to get through the 43s. So if we get stuck at 43s, it's probably coming back down. I feel like the next end goal for the next big bounce is probably not going to be all the way until 410. So you need to get back above 46 here. I don't know. I think that's S-dub that's in a trade. I'm not in any trade at the moment. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get the opportunity to. So this is where you need to see it break out right here, S-dub, if you're still holding that long. No, I got my 5 points a while ago on that last trade, Timothy, to get over the $1,500 that I was trying to get tonight. It seemed like I was struggling to get that last like 20 bucks. Uh, guys, we're probably gonna be calling it in a minute. It's already I guess 10 o'clock my time, and I usually get back up around 4 o'clock in the morning. You're still in it. Nice. Now, did you add in S-dub to get a better entry? Sounds good, Nick. Thank you. So, like I said, we're just going to finish the night with 90 bucks. That was just those few little micro trades we took. So, like I said, the end goal was to get over the $500 or 26,500. You got to make $1,500 in these accounts to pass the evals. So, and that's what Beulah Knox. No, I never did take any shorts tonight, Prayer Kid. All my entries were longs tonight. We missed. So our last entry was actually down here at 22. So we had a resting order sitting at 22 earlier. For some reason, it took me out of all my contracts. And we've been just watching this price action a whole time, except from whenever we got long here. And I missed the 90. We also had another entry at 90, and I just wasn't paying attention. As you can see, that was on that wick there. We pulled back, hit 88 before we ripped. So I basically missed this one, the 91. Then the next one, it took me out all of my contracts on the 22. So, oh, you're welcome, Nick. Yeah, man, just thanks for watching and showing up every day and hanging out in the lobby. Oh, you have a pending sale there at 465? Uh, that's in Discord, right? Yeah. Do I even have Discord? Oh, yeah, I have Discord open. There it is. Woo, some bright charts there, Timothy. That almost hurts my eyes. Woo-wee. All right, let's see. We'll be awake around 6 tomorrow. Will be great. All right. Ugh. Let's see. I'm sorry. I'll have to look at that in a minute. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching tonight. Be careful if you're going to trade the rest of the night. Remember, tomorrow morning's probably going to be a very tough opener tomorrow. So the two people who usually kind of mess with the market is usually Trump and whoever the Fed speaker is. So tomorrow morning you do have Trump speaking at the opening at 8:30 or 9:30. Then later that day you have Fed speaker Wash, not saying if I'm saying that correctly, but I think Wash is his first time giving his statement tomorrow. So because I don't think Jerome Powell is doing the speaking no more. I think he's just on the board or something like that. Yeah, there'll be a new guy tomorrow for the statement. So he's fired. No, he's on the board still. He didn't retire. He's probably still getting his nice Fed paycheck sitting on the board. Or better yet, insider information, I guess. I mean, dude, there's probably so much insider information going on around that round table that, yeah. I mean, can you imagine having that kind of power over the market by just like, get long? just a little whisper, couple Texas. So All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Everyone have a great evening. And like I said, we won't be on our opener in the morning. We'll be on My Funded Futures for the first hour in the morning. And after that, we may just come over here and start streaming on our side. But we'll see what price action looks like. So thank you guys, and everyone have a great evening.